Hello there, my name is Ismail, and so in the next coming tutorials, we're going to be looking at how to do something like this wolvering effect. Just close, kind of, I don't know, scratching, tearing through metal. As you can see here, and at the back side we have rust. You can see on this side we have paint exposed because it has been scratched. It is exposing the metal part, and the back side has rust, and because again it has been scratched or teared, it is exposing the metal behind it. And it's not just a steel frame, it's very well animated. And let's play back a bit here. It's a bit slow right now because I'm recording, and also the textures that are doing this effect, creating this effect, are kind of heavy. So that's why I can see we have some heat going on because you can the claws are metallic and rubbing against metal. That would generate some heat and expose the metal behind the paint, and on this side expose the metal behind the rust, just rubbing off that rust and exposing the metal parts behind it. And see, you can even see the details as this is playing at a very low frame rate because my computer is not really that powerful to handle everything here. But yeah, so if this was on a faster computer, maybe if it was playing in real time, this is how it would be. It would be very, very fast, and you can see it would be very, I think it's a very convincing effect. And I can see the tear follows that claw, and it doesn't matter what camera angle you're seeing in, you will still see the effect from behind, from the front. Any angle you see this from, you will see the effect. And I think the way I'm going to do this is this tutorial series, I'm going to break it down into three parts, but the first one will just be a breakdown of setting up everything here without the materials, and I'll have that on my first channel, on this channel, top channel 101, and then the other parts dealing with the materials, I'll have that on my second channel, Blender Money, because I want to keep this top channel 101. I only want to post one video at a time, for one video per day, and because this is going to be a lot of videos here, I don't want them to kind of clutter that channel. So I'll be adding any extra videos that will have to go with this effect on my second channel. Yeah, so basically that's it. You can see, let me play it back one more time. I wish there was a way to kind of reduce some of the effects here so that can play back in real time, but yeah, my machine can't handle it. But basically this is how it would play. Maybe it's very fast. And see this side as well. Let me hide the hand for a second here. Let's see, I think it's tearing quite nicely, and this side as well. Great. Yeah, close-ups are good, I think. The back side is also good. Yeah, I think it looks like metal, and you have control over these effects since it's all procedure textures. Maybe not these textures, but how this heat kind of propagates on the metal. You can control that, and how much rust is erased here, you can also control that very easily. Same with the front side. Just have to select that material and control how much that paint is, the paint peeling, how much of the peeling happens to the paint. Now you can see the more metal is exposed, the more reflective that part is. You can even expose the entire metal. Okay, have this flipped now. Yeah, or just a little bit of it. Okay, yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I'll be posting the entire process of setting up the tearing on this channel, top channel 101. then any other extra videos that I may need to produce yeah, I'll be having them on this channel, so you can go subscribe to that. And again, as I said, I just want to keep this channel 111 to one video per day instead of more than that. Yeah, thank you.